My name is Dale Droll, and I'm a Director of Engineering at Shannon Medical Center. I've been in the construction business for over 30 years and with Shannon for 15.
I'm Mitch Lane, Lane Weather Martin, San Angelo, Texas.
I'm Todd Friend. I've been working for Sansing Electric for 24 years. We've been in San Angelo for approximately 40 years.
My name is Doug Easy with Rapid Installation. Been working in San Angelo for about 23 years.
My name is Mike Martin. I'm the General Manager for James D. Good Construction in San Angelo, Texas.
My name is Todd Bolton with Bolton Steel Erectors out of Coleman, Texas. Been family owned and operated since 1994.
We've been in this town for 45 years in business. Done a lot of hospital work between the two hospitals in this town. And we've actually worked with Lott Brothers on a couple of other projects and really enjoyed working with Lott Brothers.
Working with Lott Brothers gave us more of an incentive to look for contractors and GCs who care more about coordination of the project, more about building relationships with their customers and their clients. It makes it a lot better work environment, a lot easier to work around.
One word that I would use to describe Lott Brothers is transparency. They're an open book. They tell you what's going on behind the scenes to better help you do your job.
They're very personable, lots easy to get along with. I mean, you don't just talk to someone over the phone. You actually get to meet them, build a relationship with them, understand them. They understand where you're coming from. It's not just numbers, it's not just logistics, it's about getting the entire project pushed through, not just one piece or one part of the puzzle.
Lott Brothers are very businesslike. They're very conscientious of all the subcontractors, help subcontractors in every which way to complete their job. I think as far as the schedule-wise, getting you in and out as a business worked very well.
I believe our biggest fear prior to doing this job was the scheduling and the time frame. But once we started doing the project and it was so well organized, things just came together and the project went very smoothly.
This project, being 4 stories, was broken down into phases, multiple phases. And so I think from an owner standpoint, or even watching the contractors, they knew what phase they were working on and when things needed to be done on that particular phase as you went throughout the whole building. So the contractors could tell where it was, and we as the owner could see if we were on schedule.
I haven't been around many jobs who cared so much about coordination. Coordination's a big thing to me because it's dangerous what I do. So keeping everybody out of the way, keeping everybody busy where they're not expecting you to have something ready. I never had anybody, right behind me waiting on me. I was always a couple weeks ahead from everybody else on the job, and nobody ever had any downtime. That was a good thing.
I was amazed. The schedule, when it was first brought out, everybody threw their hands up and went, wow, that can be done. Well, once you got into it, it was laid out. It cake layered very nicely in, and so it worked out just excellent through the whole project.
The matrix is like using a road map or looking at a road map. At first, it's a little confusing until you learn what the symbols and what everything means. Once you learn that, the road map turned into more like breadcrumbs, and you just followed the trail. Very simple to use.
Since working with Lott Brothers, we've found that paying attention to the details early in the project is profitable at the end of the project. I can say the safety program that we implemented after working with Lott Brothers is phenomenally better.
Construction, a lot of it can be very adversarial, but this project, we were able to create a partnership which has worked very well on this job, and we're going to be starting another project where that partnership should continue.
The greatest part about doing work with Lott Brothers was the unity, I believe, between Lott Brothers and their subs. I mean, they actually went beyond what I would think other contractors would probably wind up doing to get you to a place where you need to be to have your job done. It makes me want to go back and do a lot more work with Lott Brothers.
I would recommend Lott Brothers to any owner who wants a project to run smoothly and come in on time.
We were able to come in on budget, on schedule, and have a great, beautiful looking building.